Tarun, DJ. Tarun Sporting and Dazzlers, your match is next. Dazzlers and Tarun Sporting, your match is next. Please come in front of the banner, take a picture, give us your lineup, give us your entry fee and get set. We have too many matches to be done in that we have got prize distribution of all the categories. So join us right away. Join us right away.
We are about to begin this match, the second match of the day between Nawanagar and Yon FC.
Yeah, Morrison.
And there goes the whistle.
Second match of the day, Yon B versus Nawanagar. Here we go, Bijoy. All the best.
Nawanagar straight into the attack. Oh, there is some pushing over there. And free kick is awarded to Nawanagar. There was a player down. Four Nawanagar players in the penalty box. Well, that ball didn't have a rise and it was easily kicked away, cleared by the Yon defenders. Throw in for Nawanagar. That was a good throw. Nawanagar once again. He just takes a kick but goes wide. Goalkeeper didn't even attempt. Goal kick. That was a good kick. And here we have Yon on the attack. And he takes a shot. Well, no beef in it. And we see a real outstanding goalkeeper from Nawanagar. Yon holding on to their position. Nawanagar. Yon once again crosses it to the right, but he loses the ball. Yon takes it once again. Nicely defended by the Nawanagar defenders. The ball is kicked out of play. Throw in. Throw in for Nawanagar. Yon. Into the center. There was a player there, but it was nicely defended by the Nawanagar defense. Ball goes out of play. Throw in for Yon. Yon once again. Brings it back into their own half. Crosses the ball to the right. They have two players on the right. Well, he loses the position. Nawanagar once again crosses the ball. There is a man there. And on the left wing, can he do it? Oh, he loses the ball. Ball goes out of play. Absolutely lost control. He could have easily done better. Goal kick. Oh, well, it is kicked wide outside play area. Throw in for Nawanagar. Throw in. Nawanagar. That was little dangerous play. Referee allows it. The ball once again into the Nawanagar half. Goes out of play. Throw into Nawanagar. Oh no, it's a free kick. A free kick awarded. 4 Nawanagar players into the penalty area. Kicked very nicely. It was headed. Ball with Nawanagar. They have got an opportunity here. He takes the kick, but it is wide. Can't find the target, and the ball goes away for a goal kick.
All right, captains of the next match, Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Please line up in front of the banner, take a picture. Give us your lineup, give us your entry fee because your match is next. Dazzler versus Tarun Sporting. Dazzler versus Tarun Sporting. Tarun Sporting versus Dazzler. Please line up, please kit up. Get ready for the next match.
Nawanagar into the center. Well, it is out of reach of the Nawanagar forward. Throw in for Yon. A very nice pass. Yon loses position into the center. This can be dangerous, but the goalkeeper collects it, passes it on to the right. They have two players on the right, crosses it to the center. One solitary player there, surrounded by 3 backs. The ball is kicked out of play. Throw in for Yon. Nawanagar. Yon once again in possession of the ball, gives a back pass. Well, that was a wrong pass. Nawanagar once again in position. They have 3 players in the forward line, but it is safely headed by the Yon defender. Yon defender is really doing a very good job over here. Onto the right wing, Yon to number 10, number 8. on the right. Gives it in the center. Number 10 once again. Headed outside the danger area. They bring the ball back. Yon really doing well. Nicely building up an attack. Tempting the Nawanagar forwards. Well, the ball is kicked out of play. Throw in. Throw in for Yon. Yon to take the throw in. Yon. The ball literally snatched by Nawanagar, but they lose position.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, let it be known, Jesus Heart Foundation is a reputed tournament out here. We have been registered ourselves with MFA, that is Mumbai Football Association. And this is a reputed tournament, and we request all the players to please play by the whistle, and referee's decision would be the final decision. If you have any arguments with the referee, we see to it that next year we will not entertain you to play with us. That's a request. That's a request. All the team members, please note, referee's decision is a final decision. We are registered with Mumbai Football Association. This is a reputed tournament organized for the last 19 years. So, play to win and play with discipline. Thank you.
Goal kick for Nawanagar. Into the half of Yon. Well, that was not a very good header. Yon once again, number 8. Yon once again, 22. Making a dash for it. 2 defenders. Well, he just kicks it out and cannot find his man. The ball goes out of play. Throw in. Throw in for Yon. Nawanagar. They have 2 attackers. It was nicely obstructed by the Yon player. He's still on the run. There is the ball right in front of the box. He takes a shot. Oh, and what a beautiful kick. What a beautiful kick from 30 yards. And the goalkeeper unable to stop it. Nawanagar have scored their first goal. Really excellent through the defenders, and the goalkeeper, though making an attempt to stop it, was unsuccessful, and the ball found the net. Nawanagar leading by 1 goal. Yon really playing well. Very good short passes, good accuracy. They are more concentrating on the defense. Not many players in the forward line. Sometimes you have only one solitary player. Nawanagar once again. That's kicked into the half in the penalty box. Well,
this is the first half, and Nawanagar leading 1-0 is Yon B. Bijoy, continue.
Yon, number 10. They lose their position. Navanagar once again into the attack. They have got 4 players there. This can be dangerous. He's right in front of the goal, but well, again, no, that's a wrong pass. Nicely anticipated by number 10. Cross to the right, into the center. Can't find his man. Navanagar once again in position. The ball comes right inside, and I think it is out of reach of the Navanagar forward. And that's the end of the first half. Navanagar leading by 1 goal.
What a goal that was. What a goal. What a splendid goal that was. What a splendid goal that was by Navanagar. And ladies and gentlemen, Jesus Art Foundation, as I told you, we have been registered by the Mumbai Football Association. And some of the things we do, social cause, we do medical camps, family day orphanage home for the Canossians, blood camp organized at St. Michael Church. Then we have Lake Canossians, Mother Maria, Talasari missions, giving them rations, game items, books, stationaries. We organize picnics for the village boys of Manori, and lunch and spending time at the old age home. These are all the good causes we do. So whatever funds we get from our sponsors, we use it for the good cause. So this is Jesus Art Foundation 19th year, 2024. Today is going to be the finale of the Above 35 and this tournament. Right now you're witnessing the match between Navanagar and Yonsby. Navanagar leading 1, Yonby yet to score. Don't forget the banner to my right out there. All you have to do is scan the code, like the page on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, watch us on YouTube live, and you are going to get 10 IPL tickets. All right, we've got DJ, hold the music, please. Thank you so much. We've got some information about Tarun FC and team members, teammates. Okay, music, please.
about to start the second half of this match. Nawanagar leading by 1. Yon really playing very well. There it goes. There goes the whistle. It's kicked straight into the goal of Nawanagar. The Nawanagar goalkeeper, well, taking a few risks. Well, the ball is kicked out of play.
Okay, this is a call for the Jesus Art Foundation committee members. Anyone who's got the YMCA go down keys, can you please give it to us because it's in need.
And it's kicked right inside but headed away to safety by the Nawanagar defenders. Yon. That's a good one. Well, into the hands of the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper opting to play with his
Team
bare hands.
Dazzler, please line up in front of the banner, and Team Tarun Sporting, please line up in front of the banner. Take your picture, give us your lineup and your entry fee because your match is next. Yeah, bro.
Oh, it's in the box. Can he do it? And a fantastic save by the goalkeeper of Yon. Very beautiful piece of goalkeeping. Yon, once again. Onto the right. They have 4 forwards. Looking for his man. Passes it to extreme right. Yon keeping the position. Building up an attack. Into the penalty box and collected by the goalkeeper. Yon. Yon once again. That's a shot at the goal, but from too far, there is a claim. There is a claim for referee disallows collected by the goalkeeper. Into the half of Yon. Nawanagar takes a shot, but it is wide.
All the thirsty souls and hungry souls, we've got carts line up there. We got Quick Bites, we got food, we got Trinity Foods and Granny's Kitchen. Yeah, please line up, enjoy your food, enjoy your drinks, drink responsibly. It's cold, lemon, golas, you name it, everything is served there.
The ball is kicked out of play. Throw in. Throw in for Yon. 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 Yon once again. That can be dangerous. Well, the ball still in position of Yon. He's trying to find a player surrounded by 2 defenders. Lose possession of the ball. Nawanagar once again into the attack, but defended by the Yon players. Crosses the ball. We'll really have to agree that the Yon players are really very good in their short passes, quick passes, and smooth passes. They are really doing well. Very good presence of mind. They exactly know where their players are. That's a crack at the goal. Goalkeeper stops it and picks it up. Well, I think this goalkeeper does take a few risks. into the half of Yon. The ball goes out of play area, and it is it? Yes, it is a corner. It's a corner for Nawanagar. First corner. Well, it is cleared away. Goes out of play, throw in. Throw in for Nawanagar. Nicely headed by the Yon defenders. Yon defenders, they have got two players. Well, he tries to take a long shot, but it is deflected by the Nawanagar defenders and the ball goes out of play. Throw in for Yon. That's a good one, a good trick. Yon, once again, in front of the goal. There's a player there. On the right, he takes a left take, but
Tarun Sporting versus Dazzlers. Please
once
line
again,
up.
and
Your match is
he
next.
misses his mark, and the ball is cleared by the Nawanagar defenders. Yon once again in position, but cannot penetrate. Ball goes out of play. Throw in for. There is a player on the ground. Please attend to him. There is a player on the ground. First aid. Well, it's not very clear what exactly happened. Well, the game has been stopped. The Nawanagar player, well, he's back on his feet. And it's a throw in for Yon.
Afternoon beverages and salads moving on the ground out there. We've got carts lined up there. Please enjoy this afternoon.
Throw in for Yon.
Sunday is a fun day.
Well, that's a good one. Straight into the safe hands of the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper throws it to the left. Nobody to take that. Nobody to take that. Well, the Yon defender was dispossessed. Nawanagar once again. They still have the ball. Well, that was a very, very bad kick. The ball goes out of play area. Goal kick for Yon. Oh well, he could not head it properly. There's a Nawanagar player. Well, he manages to keep the ball, but it goes to the Yon defender. It is kicked out of play. Throw in for Yon. Yon once again onto the left wing. Yon. Nawanagar on the offensive, but safe into the hands of the Yon goalkeeper. Once again, an opportunity for Yon. They still have the ball. Looking for a player. Oh, that was a beautiful piece of defending. Yon once again, still in possession of the ball. On to the right, just outside the penalty box. Yon. On to the left, building up an attack. They have a player there on the extreme left. Looking for a player, he passes it. He still has position. Oh, that was very bad. After all the efforts, after all the beautiful passing, he fumbles and the ball goes out of play
Tarun Sporting and Dazzlers, please line up.
for a goal kick.
Your match is next. Please line up in front of the banner. Give us your lineup and then
Referee
give us your entry.
Warning the
Your match is
Nawapur
next.
for wasting time. Time really running out for Yon. Good header. Yon really playing well. Into the center, they have got a player here, but headed once again. That's a crack, but nicely defended. Very beautifully defended by the Nawapur defenders. Well, they are arguing with each other regarding the marking of throw in for Yon. Well, Nawanagar, sorry. Yon, once again, where there's a bit of pushing there. Nawanagar once again into the attack, but loses position. The Yon defenders. Ball. Throw in for Yon. Cross the ball to the right. Looking for a player. Crosses the ball across the field to the left. There is a player on the extreme left. He passes it. That's a good one. They have a chance, but oh, that was a very close one. Right in front of the goal. He headed it, but went over the crossbar. Yon had a real good opportunity. There were two attackers totally unmarked. Well, that's what happens in the heat of the moment. Once again, Yon keeps the ball in play. Nawanagar in the attack. Oh, he takes a shot at the goal. Oh, that was very close, very close. It was deflected off the hands of the goalkeeper, and it's a corner for Nawanagar. There's some argument. There was a little bit pushing. I think a player has been free kick for Yon. Yon, three players on the left. Passes the ball. The ball is crossed to the right. Nobody on the right. Looking for a player. Can't find one. Gives it back. All the players in the forward line. Yon really getting desperate to score this goal. Pass it to the center. There is a chance. There is a player there. He still has the ball. There is a player, and he takes a shot, but it is blocked by the Nawanagar defenders. Once again, Yon putting a lot of pressure. And that's the end of the match. Bad luck for Yon. They've really played very well. Congratulations to them.
What a match that was. What a match. That's it. So, Nawanagar winning this match against Yonbi. Dazzlers versus Tarun Sporting. Line up, please. Dazzlers versus Tarun Sporting. Please line